to see question 2. It says the symbol, inverted triangle, represents one of the 4 operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. What's the value of 5 triangle 7? Statement 1 says that 1 over 5 triangle 1 over 6 equals 1 over 30. And statement 2, 0 triangle 6 equals 0. So would you say statement 1 is sufficient? It might look like it is sufficient because one feels that this could mean no other thing but the multiplication of 1 over 5 and 1 over 6. It's so obvious, right? But is this really the only possibility? Since the definition prior to the question says that the triangle may represent equally any of the 4 basic arithmetic operations, then at least we owe this to ourselves, to try the other possibilities in order to discard the chance that there is more than one option or answer. What happens with a subtraction? Isn't it true that the subtraction of 1 over 5 and 1 over 6 is also 1 over 30? Well, if we do the operation, we realize that 6 times 1 minus 5 times 1 over 5 times 6 exactly equals 1 over 30. It is not so apparent just looking at the expression, but the fact remains the same. The triangle doesn't have a unique meaning because it might mean either of the 2 options. So there is not one unique value that we may give as the answer because it's not the same thing 5 times 7 than 5 take away 7. We would have 2 possible values for that expression. Statement 1 is not sufficient. So what about statement 2? If 0 triangle 6 equals 0, triangle means a unique operation, but it might be more than 1. Again, the most obvious one would be the multiplication, right? 0 times 6 equals 0. But if you divide 0 by 6, that also yields 0. Yeah, 0 is divisible by any number except by 0. The division by 0 is not defined, but 0 can be divided by any real number. So if we know this to be true, then again, the triangle doesn't mean a unique operation. So the answer is not unique either. Only when we say that the 2 statements are considered to be true at the same time is when the triangle, the inverted triangle, means the unique operation, the multiplication, right? So the 2 statements together are sufficient, but not each statement alone. Correct answer would be C.